On Monday, January 8th, opposition parties voiced their approval of the Supreme Court's decision to annul the Gujarat government's order permitting the early release of 11 convicts in the Bilkis Bano rape case. Describing it as a triumph of justice, they accused the BJP of being anti-women and criticized the party of allegedly patronizing criminals. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, in a post on X, said Bilkis Bano's tireless struggle was a symbol of the victory of justice against the arrogant BJP government. The tendency to kill justice for electoral gains is dangerous for the democratic system. Today, the Supreme Court's decision once again told the country who is the patron of criminals. His sister Priyanka Gandhi Vadra too reacted to the verdict and said justice had ultimately prevailed. With this order, the wheel over the anti-women policies of the Bharatiya Janata Party has been removed. After this, public confidence in the justice system will be further strengthened. Congratulations to Bilkis Bano for continuing her fight bravely, she said in a post in Hindi on X. Congress's media and publicity head Pawan Khera said the Supreme Court judgment quashing the release of the 11 rapists by the Gujarat government exposes the BJP's callous disregard for women. It is a slap on the face of those who facilitated the illegal release of these criminals and also those who garlanded the convicts and fed sweets to them, Khera said. Rejecting the influence of religion or caste on justice, Asauddin Owaisi welcomed the Supreme Court ruling accusing the BJP of hypocritical stances on women's empowerment. Owaisi questioned the Union Home Ministry's silence on the convicts' early release, asserting that PM Modi's claims on women empowerment are contradicted by such actions. Concluding, he demanded an apology from PM Modi and the BJP to Bilkis Bano and her family, stating that the party has failed women both all the states and national levels.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये साफ कर दिया कि गवर्नमेंट ऑफ गुजरात जो बीजेपी की सरकार है वहाँ पर उन्होंने बिल्किस बानो के रेपिस्ट को छोड़ने में मदद की, फ्री किया, और जबकि उनके पास ये इख्तियार नहीं था। मैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट के इस फैसले का वेलकम करता हूँ, खैर मुक़द्दम करता हूँ। नरेंद्र मोदी जो नारी शक्ति की बात करते हैं ये सिर्फ जुमलेबाजी है, और इन्होंने यहाँ पर बिल्किस बानो के रेपिस्ट को छोड़ने का जो काम किया इससे एक्सपोज होते हैं। अब बताइए बुलडोज़र कहाँ चला गया, ठोक देंगी पॉलिसी कहाँ चले गई। बीजेपी बिल्किस बानो के रेपिस्ट को छोड़कर बीजेपी आज रेपिस्ट के साथ खड़ी हुई है, चाहे वो सरकार में हो, सेंटर में हो या स्टेट में हो।
The Trinamool Congress TMC said the judgment is a slap on the face of the BJP who facilitated the release of these criminals and glorified the convicts. Shiv Sena UBT leader Priyanka Chaturvedi tweeted, "Never forget, before the remission came from Gujarat court, it was the Home Ministry of India that gave a NOC to the decision. Bilkis Bano has fought all the high and mighty to get justice." In a significant setback for the Gujarat government, the Supreme Court on Monday revoked the state's order to release 11 men convicted in the Bilkis Bano rape case. The court declared the Gujarat government not competent enough to pass such an order, terming the documents presented by the convicts for the 2022 release order as fraud. The Supreme Court asserted they were obtained through misleading facts. The 11 convicts released on August 15, 2022 are now directed to surrender before jail authorities within 2 weeks. Bilkis Bano, 21-year-old and pregnant during the 2002 post-Godhra riots, endured a brutal gang rape and 7 of her family members were killed.